Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Birthday
Ang araw na to ay
you.
napaka-special dahil
Happy
birthday po ng
birthday
aking
to
anak na si
you.
Hugo Andre Biliwang.
Happy to
Umagang-umaga pa lang yung energy
Happy
niya mataas na.
Happy
Kasi pag gising niya, ayan, binuksan, nakita niya kaagad yung gift namin sa kanya.
birthday.
Mapag-appreciate kasi ang batang yan.
What number you go? Number 2.
You want to open? Yes. Yes. Okay.
Tara. Ready? Sing. Happy birthday, Hugo. Happy birthday, Hugo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Hugo. Isang mabilis muna. Happy birthday to you, fast. Happy birthday to you, fast. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ali, you blow your candle.
Are you
Ready?
Sit down. Ready?
Sit down.
Blow.
Blow. You go.
Blow.
Blow.
Uy.
One more. Hindi nakita.
One more.
Magaling mag-blow. Pinlaktis ko kagabi yan eh. Ready?
Ready?
Hindi, hawakan mo na lang mami. Ready? Blow. You
Blow,
go.
you go.
Blow the candle. Blow. 1, 2, 3, blow. Shh. One more. Strong. One more. One. Yay!
It's number? 2. Hugo is 2 years old.
Okay. Ready? Open? Open! Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you help daddy to...
Whoa.
Whoa. Already? Ito. Here. Open here. Open here. Open. 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 Ready. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. And this. And this. Open. Whoop. Wow.
Sirain mo. ganyan.
Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow. Car. Car. What's that? You want to open now?
Wow. Look over rock car.
Wow. What's inside?
Hey.
Wow, what's this? Wow.
Hindi nyo po na itatanong, si Hugo po, napakahilig po niya sa mga cars. Kaya halos na mga laruan niya, may mga kotse, may mga truck. Mahilig siya sa 4 wheels. Ayan.
Uy. Bravo, Hugo.
Yung mga sticker, di ba nakasigit?
Naligot lang ako.
You happy? You go.
Oh no.
Oh, it's okay. Here.
So after po mag-blow ng candle dun sa cake ni Hugo at after niya buksan yung kanyang regalo, napagplanuhan po namin kahapon na magpa-park po kami kasi gustong-gusto ni Hugo pumunta sa mga park. Pupunta po kami dun sa mas malaki-laking park para may makita siyang mga ducks, goose, mga iba-ibang birds. Meron po doon. Kaya we're on our way dito sa mga oras na to. Sarap ka na, mami, no?
Tapos alalayan ko.
Alalayan mo lang kung hindi ko may panik. Ayan, at pagdating nga namin kasi almost lunchtime na dyan kaya gutom na kami. Kaya pagdating namin, una namin ginawa, kumain na muna kami. Spaghetti, chicken sandwich,
Yeah.
and show the chicken. Chicken. Wow, may chicken. Oh, may pigeon pa.
Say it. Say it.
Duck. You say hi to duck.
Nom nom nom.
Give to duck. Oh, give to the duck.
Be careful your.
You count the duck. How many duck? Two. How many?
What color is the duck?
Brown.
Brown and
Green. They eat.
what the duck say? Wow, 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 wow.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, no more.
No more.
Say no more.
Sorry, no more.
Sorry, no more.
Next time. Bye bye, duck. No, they will stay because you have food. Yeah, they will stay.
They will stay.
Oh, no, 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 no,
No, no, don't go. Oh.
Pagkatapos nga kumain, na gusto na maglaro ni Hugo, excited na maglaro. Kaya dinala na namin siya sa palaruan.
Inside. Careful. Do some more, you go. Do some more. No, like this. Like this.
May slide din pala dito eh.
Say hello to daddy.
Oh no! Be careful. Be careful.
niya, yung maliliit eh. At pagkatapos nga maglaro ni Hugo, mahaba-habang paglalaro yon, napagod na siya. So, nag-decide kami na tsaka papahapon na rin na uuwi na. At habang pauwi kami doon sa may nadaanan namin, yung ewan ko kung Chinese ba to o anong lahi na matanda. Nag-float siya, ang galing niya. Pinapalapit niya yata yung mga ibon. So dito ko na po tatapusin ang simpleng vlog natin para sa second birthday ni Hugo. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood at lagi po kayong safe. Ayan. So kamusta po shout out po sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak at pamilya namin, mga kaibigan namin. Ayan. Pwede po kayo mag-greet kay Hugo sa comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tito Bon TV. Bye!